puzzle box I just made. Only took about like 30 minutes to make, but I just like figured it out all the way, on the way, because I just really want to make my own scene for once, and this is it. So like, front and back, top, side. See, nothing will come out. Back, front especially, because the front is actually the main part you want. See, nothing's gonna come out. So how you open it? You're gonna be wondering how I open it. I bet. These hooks are obvious. This one is uneven, so you're gonna see that dent there. You're gonna push up, pull this out. Then get this key out from this hole. Then this hole right here, stick the key in. Now watch the front. Watch the front. The box will pop out. My key like stays in there until I put this back in. So like, let me know if you want me to try to make a different one. I'm gonna always have to keep this in here. I will have to probably take this one apart maybe to make another one. Cause you see all of these, took 6 of those. I don't have much of those, so yeah. But we have this little box, and I have this little cube I'll go get. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the cube. This comes out of those gold blocks. They give you these cubes, and these cubes would fit perfect in this box. See? When I get it out, shake it. If it doesn't come out like that, just take a piece off. It'll pop right out. This took about like 100 pieces or 50 pieces or whatever. Like counting all these little pieces. Wait, to put on this. Counting all these pieces and this little slab. Into add right here. It took a lot, and now we're gonna just, I don't really put anything in my puzzle boxes. I just like have them for fun. But so I got this. Okay, now let's get it in. My key like won't come out, so like, unless I stick my fingers in here and get it out. You can see it's in here. Once you stick the box back in here, it's gonna pop right out. Plus, like, this is like cool because the box is invisible, and it also it attaches in here, so it won't come out no matter what. Like Technic piece, like 2 Technic pieces in here. Just reset it normal. Stick the key back in, and stick this piece back. Now you have this. I'm gonna show you how it works right now. Okay, so this is how it works. When you take it apart, These tiles have like 50,000 tiles on it. I gotta get all these. Need all of these for it. All of these to run it. So all you need to do is just so how it works. It's pretty simple. Just this is in here. It pulls out, and you don't have to add the pieces to here. Right here, the key goes. Key goes right in here. You don't have to add the pieces. The key can like just come out, and it's out. Put it back in, but so you can see the key right there trying to come out. See, I didn't have room to put those pieces in, so like, but when you get this in, so when you get that in, that's back there, and you stick it in by just getting that piece connected in that hole. So if you want to make something like this, get about 1, 2, 3, 4. So get about just 5 square 4x4s. Just these, a bunch of these, and something that fits in there. You can make it bigger, it'll work. You can make the box bigger, anything will work. But that's about the end of the video. So yeah, so you just put these back on, stuff like that. And so there's about, if you want to know all the tiles you need like, you don't have to have all these up on top. I just found a bunch of these from my Lego fair, so it work, and put on top of these to make it sturdier. So I just added, see. So you just, I like blue art, and this fair so had a water blue to it, and so I like water blue tiles. So it's just all flat. That's how I always wanted to make a box, and this is how I made the box. Just a flat, plain box. Again, just do this, take the key out. Just a couple of steps. Just a couple of steps. Take the key back out. Just like about 1, 2, 3, just 3 steps. It's a pretty simple box, but if you want to make it, you can look at it. I cannot make a tutorial because it took me forever. I only took like half an hour because I had to figure it out on the way. But I'm trying not to make this video too long, so I put this box right back together so no one will figure out how to open it. It's not like it's not just this. It breaks it. It'll fall apart. And also, this is sponsored by my axolotl. Just kidding. Yeah, Axolotl will not sponsor a video. But I just figured this out on my own. I was not planning on making a video of this, but I just did it anyway. Because I like making videos of things I make, because I just like to show it off. And so, ow, my knee. Okay. Bye.